shut the door. I don't want to get in the house, Joseph. What is this? I've never seen this before. I don't think that there's a... Hey, you might nip your finger, buddy. I've never seen this before. That bird is pissed. What's your problem? It's stepping. Yell for Paxton too. Paxton. Hey, I don't want the bird flying in the house. Step out.
Get out the other door. Shut the door.
What you want? I've never seen anything like this. Why are you pissed off? I don't think so. Hey.
Don't throw things at it.
Cut it out, Joseph.
I don't want
Get out of it. Go put clothes on. Need that, my wife. No, I don't know what his problem is. Just leave him alone. I don't know why he's so angry. Hey, call for Paxton. She'll want to see. Put clothes on. No. Dwight! Why you gotta be violent? Why you gotta be violent? No, Dwight. No. Look at this guy. That's crazy. I have never seen a bird get this close. Hey, get stepping. I don't think there's a bird nest up there. Dwight, leave that be.
Be careful, he's gonna bite you.
It's a wild bird and he's angry.
Why?
I don't know. He just attacked Joseph and landed on my dad. What's up? What do you want? What do you want from us? Leave that be, Dwight. Put that down. Go tell Paxton. Go tell Paxton. Go tell her.
I don't even know what kind of bird it is. It's after you.
That bird is pissed. What do you want from us?
It doesn't want us here, I guess.
I live here.
Is that a nest up there?
No, I don't think so. I don't know what his deal is. Tell Paxton to get down here and shut the door. Dwight, you don't have shoes on. I don't want you stepping in anything. Come back here, Dwight. This is really weird.
Yeah.
I don't think there's a nest up there.
I don't even know what kind of bird it is.
Don't. Dwight, don't.
I don't think there's a nest up there.
Yeah. Wait, I think it lost its baby and it's trying to yell for him. Maybe it lost their baby. Oh, probably needs a nest.
Dwight.
There's a bird right there. We don't know why.
Go at the back. Hey, tell Paxton to come down. She'll like this. Joseph, can you get this? Stop talking.
Okay.
I want Paxton to see. She likes animals. This bird is pissed.
I saw it eyes flash for a second.
Hey, Dwight, back up. Back up, Dwight.
He's gonna bite you, Dwight. You're gonna get bit.
Oh, wait,
I don't know. I've never seen a bird do this before.
I've never have either. Even if you come around their nest, they usually just fly away. I mean, he's standing to fight.
Hi.
All right, can you guys not go out this door? Shut that door. I don't want it flying in the house.
What is?
This bird is pissed. I don't know what his deal is. What's up, dude?
He was sitting on me. He was sitting on your dad for a while.
Can you sit on me, please?
You would love that, huh? Here, Dwight, put this down. I don't want to get
Also,
that. Get a
please
hold.
don't pick on me.
You might.
Birdie.
I don't know if I think it might be a girl. She's not very bright color. I don't know what it is.
It looks like a
She was sitting on me. She was sitting on your dad. I don't know what she's upset about.
I don't know. I don't know what she's pissed about.
It's angry.
What?
What?
It was on you?
It landed on him first, then it landed on me.
Oh, bird, get distracted.
Joseph, can you just go away?
Don't throw balls at it. Leave it
Can I
alone.
play?
Dwight's trying to get violent with it.
Can I play?
I mean, I don't see a nest up there. I don't see a nest up there either.
No.
There's no nesting.
Jesus.
Oh
You take after your mommy, James.
no!
What are we doing?
Joseph broke the bag. The birds.
Don't hit him. Don't throw it.
Dwight, why are you getting violent? Why are you getting violent? You're crazy.
Do you want to fly at the bird or no? When?
I have no idea. Do you think it built a nest in my grill?
No, you.
I mean, I haven't used it since you've been here.
But how could have got in there to build it?
I don't know.
Look very careful.
What's up? What do you want? What do you want?
We don't want bird.
Why are you so angry? Why are you angry?
Yeah, why are you angry?
What do we do to you?
He really doesn't like us over here.
Oh.
I don't see any nest up in the fan.
You want to check the grill?
Yeah.
I don't need it.
Nothing.
Leave it on the ground.
Dwight. This is crazy. I've never had a bird do this before.
Can you hold him?
No, I can't hold him. I have no idea why he's pissed. I don't see a nest. Dwight, put that back.
I'm ready, yeah.
Can I play?
Hey, go back up there, buddy.
Well, I have
Well,
to-
sorry about whatever we did, Mr. Bird or Mrs. Bird.
Stop. Baby bird.
Here, Dwight, get back up here.
I want that.
You like that, Paxton? I figured you liked.
How do we get this?
That bird might land on you, so
Yeah, how are we gonna get that bird distracted?
I don't know.
Doing this for now.
I don't know why he's so angry. I don't know.
Listen, I think the birds must be hungry. No.
I don't think he's hungry.
Yeah, he is hungry. Some parents told me if birds get angry like that, they need to be hungry.
That is crazy.